Hi, it's Dr. Laith Farjo. In this video, I wanted to show you how to do what we call passive shoulder range of motion exercises. We use these basically after every single shoulder surgery and also with certain shoulder fractures. The first set of exercises we call pendulum exercises because basically you let your arm dangle like a pendulum. Here you can see Nicole, one of our physical therapists, demonstrating pendulum exercises for the left shoulder. The whole idea is to allow the gravity and you're rocking back and forth of your body to move your shoulder and not to use your shoulder muscles. Usually we use these exercises when someone has had a repair, for example, a rotator cuff repair, and we don't want you activating your rotator cuff to move your shoulder. We want to let gravity and your body move your shoulder. So as you can see here, she's gently rocking her arm back and forth. And typically I'll tell patients to try to make small circles, and then as they progress they can make larger circles, and then as they get better at that then they can make figure of 8 types of designs. You can see Nicole here making that figure of 8 design. And so she's making relatively small figure of 8s. As you get better at this, as the days progress after your surgery or after your injury, you can make bigger and bigger ones. As long as you're just letting your body, the rocking back and forth of your body and gravity doing the work, you're fine. Notice she's bent over about 90 degrees at the waist. We recommend you do these pendulums for about 5 minutes 3 times a day after surgery. Next, I wanted to show you passive shoulder elevations. Again, the idea is that you're using something else, in this case somebody else, to help you move your arm for you. So you can see here Gino is helping Nicole. She's just relaxing. Her arm is totally loose and limp, and she's allowing Gino to slowly move her arm straight forward up in the air and then gently, slowly move it back down. And the real key is that she's not trying to help. She's turning off all her muscles. For example, if he moves her up here and he were to let go, her arm would totally flop down. Obviously, he's not going to do that. The more relaxed Nicole is, the easier this goes for both of them. So you can see here she's just relaxing and he's moving the arm gently, slowly. We're working just on moving the arm directly forward. That's probably the direction we want you to go first. It's the easier direction, and then bringing it back down. After you've gotten good at this forward passive elevation exercise, we're going to start having you bring your arm out to the side. That's called passive abduction. And it's the same idea. You see Gina's just gradually, slowly moving her arm up and then down, and then the whole time Nicole is just relaxing and trying to let him do this. This is the harder one to do, and if you can't do it to start, don't worry, it will come with some time. Again, we recommend you do these exercises about 5 minutes at a time, 3 times a day. You certainly couldn't do them too much. If you wanted to do it more than that, that would be great. Good luck.